If you think this is ice cream or yogurt, you are so wrong. Anyways, if you are on your health grind, this is something you definitely want to add to your diet. I know what you must be thinking. She can't dance, okay? Well, moving on, I brought out the food processor I was going to be using and went ahead to bring out the pineapple I kept overnight to freeze, because for this recipe you need frozen fruits or vegetables, if you will. And now some ASMR. And now we are done blending. Let me just show you how smooth, soft and creamy this looks. Come on, you can't get this in the market. Joking. But yeah, if you weren't told, you would believe this was ice cream, right? Right, I know. Okay, and just to zhuzh it up a bit, I added granola, peanuts and drizzled some honey, because the pineapple was kind of like not sweet. Yeah, it was giving tangy, so I needed it a little bit sweeter. And yeah, anyways, we went ahead to have this for breakfast. It was super yummy, super satisfying. And that was it, guys. Bye.